world. Hey friends, welcome back to my sweet shop. I'm so glad that you're here today. Today, we're learning all about waves in an ocean. Have you ever seen waves in an ocean before? Sometimes they're really little, but sometimes they're really big. It's so cool how God made waves. Waves are created when wind, can you make wind? Blows over the ocean surface, creating friction, which generates waves. God made creation so cool. Today, we're going to do a science experiment together where we're creating a ocean in a bottle where we can make waves. Let's do it together. Let's make an ocean in a bottle together. If you'd like to do this science experiment at home, here's what you'll need. You'll need some baby oil, a cup of water, some blue food coloring, an empty bottle with a screw-off lid, some ocean animals and things to go in our bottle. I have some fish and some boats, some duct tape, and some glitter. Let's do this together. The first thing we're going to do is take our bottle and unscrew the lid, and then we are going to fill it halfway with baby oil. Now we are going to take our water cup and put some drops of blue food coloring inside. Now we are going to pour our blue water into our baby oil, and we're going to see what happens. Here we go. The blue water goes straight to the bottom. It doesn't mix with the baby oil because the baby oil and the water have different densities. Now, let's take our ocean fish and put them in our bottle. 1, 2, 3. Now let's put our boats in there. 1, 2. Now last, let's put some glitter in our ocean. The glitter stayed on top of the oil. There it goes. Now we are going to put the lid back on the bottle, screw it on tight, and then we're going to take our duct tape and put it around the top of the bottle to help keep the lid on so it doesn't spill. Now, are you ready to see what happens? Here we go. Look at the waves that we're making. How cool. Look at the blue waves and our fish and the boat. That was so much fun. I'm so glad we got to make an ocean in a bottle together. If you're going to do this science experiment at home, make sure to ask an adult for their help. Thanks for hanging out with me today as we learned all about waves. I'll see you next week. Bye! Thanks for watching. Now let's explore God's sweet world together. For more fun, ask a grown-up to subscribe.